Adverse possession is a way of taking ownership of property by possessing it in a way that's continuous, exclusive, adverse, and open and notorious for a period of time defined by statute. Mugaas v. Smith considers whether title acquired through adverse possession and never recorded publicly can hold its own against a subsequent bona fide purchase. Dora Mugaas was a widow who owned a piece of property. In 1910, she constructed a fence around her land. This fence inadvertently enclosed a strip of land that actually belonged to the neighboring property. This strip was 135 feet wide by 3.5 feet wide. The fence stood until 1928, after which it disintegrated and disappeared. Delmar Smith purchased the neighboring property in 1941. By then, no fence or other physical feature indicated that Mugaas claimed title to this strip. The legal description and record title of Smith's property included the strip of land. Smith built a house that encroached onto this land. Smith didn't ask Mugaas about the boundary line before purchasing the property, but he did have notice of her claim before he built his house. Mugaas sued the Smiths to quiet title to the strip of land, seeking to establish that she was its rightful owner. She argued that she'd acquired the land through adverse possession by possessing it openly and notoriously for the period of time stipulated in the state statute. Smith argued that a bona fide purchaser for value should be able to rely on record title, and that Mugaas had failed to establish adverse possession of the strip. The court granted title to Mugaas and directed Smith to remove his buildings and encroachments. Smith appealed to the Washington Supreme Court.